Can you imagine a mechanism that tirelessly operates for years? It may seem unimaginable, but the human heart accomplishes just that. Functioning as an incessant pump, the heart tirelessly propels blood throughout the body. It serves as a vital organ in the circulatory system, continuously pulsating to facilitate the transportation of blood, which carries essential substances within it. Today, our focus lies on unraveling the intricacies of the human heart and its indispensable role in the circulatory system. Let's begin by examining the components of the circulatory system within the human body, which primarily include blood, blood vessels, and the heart. Directing our attention to the heart, we observe its approximate size, similar to that of a clenched fist. Positioned within the chest cavity amidst the lungs, the heart tilts slightly towards the left. An inner view of the heart reveals its division into four chambers. The upper chambers, known as the atria, consist of the right atrium and left atrium, separated by the atrial septum. Similarly, the lower chambers, termed ventricles, comprise the right and left ventricles, demarcated by the ventricular septum. The right atrium and ventricle house deoxygenated blood, while the left atrium and ventricle contain oxygen-rich blood. Upon contraction, the right atrium propels deoxygenated blood into the right ventricle, which subsequently pumps it to the lungs via the pulmonary artery. Concurrently, the left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs via the pulmonary vein, propelling it into the left ventricle upon contraction. The vigorous contractions of the left ventricle generate blood pressure, facilitating the distribution of oxygen-rich blood throughout the body. Hemoglobin within the blood aids in transporting oxygen to various body parts and transporting carbon dioxide back to the heart. Note that carbon dioxide is more soluble in water than oxygen, typically transported in a dissolved state. In the orchestration of blood flow, the heart's four valves play a pivotal role. The tricuspid valve regulates blood flow between the right atrium and ventricle, while the pulmonary valve governs flow between the right ventricle and pulmonary artery. Similarly, the mitral valve oversees blood flow between the left atrium and ventricle, and the aortic valve regulates flow between the left ventricle and aorta. Functioning harmoniously, the atria and ventricles alternate between contraction and relaxation to propel blood throughout the circulatory system. Commencing with the right atrium receiving deoxygenated blood from the vena cava, blood traverses through the right ventricle to the lungs, returning oxygenated to the left atrium. From there, blood enters the left ventricle, which then distributes it to the entire body through the aorta. Our exploration has unveiled the heart's pivotal role as a cornerstone of the circulatory system, tirelessly pumping blood laden with oxygen and nutrients to every corner of the body.